Hey there, just a quick video on how to change out the speedometer gear on a lot of different Chrysler transmissions. I'm changing mine out because you can see those teeth are really wore out. Chewed up, wore out. Here's the new one next to it. You also see on the end here, actually on this side, the number 35 is on the insides of both those gears. It's got the long shaft. So I got a 35 tooth long shaft. Turns out this same little rascal is used in a lot of Chryslers from I think the mid 60s to 80s and 90s, may even use them today. Even the Jeeps use them. You may have to clock your adapter from scratch. And if you see on there, there's numbers. This one's 39 through 45, 32 through 39, and 26 through 31. There's also a notch on the bottom of the housing. What you want to do is you want to line up these little dashes that correspond to the number that your number of teeth on your gear fall in. So this is 35 teeth. So I'm between 32 and 38. Like I said, your transmission would be sitting level. So let me turn that level just to slide in and keep it from falling out. 32 to 38. So this needs to clock to this notch right here. There's a notch right here. Push it in so the O-ring seats. And this little bracket has these little fingers on it. They'll sit down in them bigger notches. And that's really about all there is to it. You want to make sure it's engaged. And that is either turn the dry shaft or the wheel or something, jack up the wheel and turn it and make sure the shaft is spinning. And it spins, so it's good. Chad, don't forget there's a seal on the inside of it. This is the seal that came out of here. Just goes in that hole and it drives in all the way in, quite deep. So right on this shoulder right here. As you see, that barely protrudes, so it goes in a little ways. And that keeps oil from leaking out. And remember, if you love life and learning new things, go aimless.com.